Hello, welcome to Ruian Mingyuan memory. Now let me introduce our design semi-automatic die cutting machine. Please see here. This control panel. You can do open this panel. The power coming. So next step. This is for step. Next step to run it. So start run. Then start pressure. Okay now this handle for control. This machine running. You can do touch this pressure switcher. Okay, working now. So you also can do change this step. Later, daily running. You can do like this. Pressure for automatic running. Okay, you see. Let's say stop. Can do like this. We can do use this handle, push down, machine stop running for keep safety. Start running again. Here yellow pass also for stop running. Okay, start again. This pass handle also can do stop running. Okay, for safety for the user.